Coffee, please.
Sorry, our terminal doesn't work. It's cash only. I love your robe. Sunday, I have my ritual. I go and get my coffee. I want to take off the work week, feel relaxed and cozy. Wearing a PJ can be too revealing. I definitely don't want to look like a grandma. And then everything changed.
Actually, I got these hooded waffle bathrobes for myself. And you, honey. For me, it's a getting ready robe, and the triple secure system covers me from natural cotton, free from chemicals, easy to care for, lightweight and compact, inclusive sizes from extra small to double XL, with oversized relaxed fit. And I also got matchy slippers for a complete polished look. I got